Hi, my name is Tom. I am a simple text-to-speech converter that reads out text in any application, document, a web page and voiceover for your YouTube channel. If you would like to use additional features like recording voice files, kindly give me a like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell us what you think about my voice in the comments section below. Your actions are highly appreciated. My voice specifications. 1. My voice is clear and natural, TTS 22 kHz voices. 2. Am compatible with 32 and 64-bit versions. 3. SAP i5 interface support. 4. Simple installation and activation. 5. You get automatic updates. My voice technology leverages neural network techniques to deliver a human-like, engaging, and personalized user experience. Enhance any customer self-service application with high-quality audio tailored to your brand. My voice delivers lifelike voices that is trained on your use cases and dialogues, and speak your language as fluently as a live agent. I use advanced text-to-speech technology, delivering a far more human-sounding voice with key benefits including 1. A superior caller experience. 2. Reduced cost by automating more calls. 3. Flexibility and control to update your application. 4. Differentiate your brand with a custom voice experience. Check out for more voices uploads by visiting East York channel. If you liked my voice, hit that like button, share this video and give me a rating in the comment section. Rating is from 1 to 10. Lastly, subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button. Thanks for listening to my voice, and have a nice time.